Here is the repair process of iPhone 14 that came in for display issue. We carefully desoldered the display PMU chip, also known as Chestnut, as named by Apple themselves. Then we replaced it with another working display PMU chip from a donor board. This device actually came in with total blank screen. We tested with another working screen, yet still no display. Then we continue with our diagnosis, and we discovered that the display Chestnut, which is the display PMU IC chip, is not powering up the screen. That is the reason why it remains blank regardless of the screen installed on the device. So, nothing else than to begin with the troubleshooting process. The replacement of the display Chestnut was carried out after confirmation that it is faulty. Then we reballed the both layer boards and sandwiched it on our backup preheater platform. The display issue is successfully fixed.